Want to give your Android TV a fresh new look? In this video, I'll show you one of the best home screen setups that's clean, modern, and easy to use. Set wallpaper and your favorite apps organized. So, let's get started. Open Play Store on your TV. Go to Search Bar and search ChillHub. Install ChillHub Launcher. Go back and search Button Mapper. Install Button Mapper app. Open Button Mapper app. Click OK. Now, open Settings, go to Accessibility. Scroll down. Select Button Mapper and Enable. Click OK. Select Home button. Turn on Customize. Select ChillHub Launcher. Single tap, double tap, and long press. Go to Single Tap. Click here to go Applications. Select ChillHub Launcher. Press Home button on your TV remote. Hide unnecessary apps and organize dock apps. Go to Launcher Settings. Go to Background. Click on Style. Choose your style, how light and dark wallpaper. Go back. Choose wallpapers from here. Go to Time Clock. Select time and date. Scroll down. Select Date Style and go back. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.